Good afternoon, Elda.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
By the way, I'm Elda Alegria, 37 years of age, single. I have 2 brothers and 5 sisters. I'm a 2 years graduate of computer secretariat.
You have a domestic helper experience for 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
For the family of 5 members.
Yes, ma'am.
How many adults?
3 adults, ma'am.
3 adults?
Yes, ma'am.
And the other 2?
In their family, ma'am, there are 5 adults.
Ages what?
20, 25, and 28.
And then the other 2?
And the other 2, ma'am, is their parents.
Okay. What do you do in your employer's house?
To the all household chores.
Like?
Cleaning, cooking, washing, sometimes marketing.
Do you know how to operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Washing machine, oven toaster, and rice cooker.
How many days off do you have in the Philippines?
Only 1 month, Sunday only.
Only once a week.
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer in Hong Kong cannot provide you a once a week day off, but they will pay you instead, is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay with me.
Can you promise to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Any food you do not eat?
No, ma'am.
Afraid of pets?
Snake, ma'am. It's too scary.
Allergic to any kind of food, drugs, or detergent?
Ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of sick, elderly, disabled, or invalid person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends or relatives to your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for your future employer, Elda?
Sir, ma'am, if you will choose me, I promise I will do my best and I will follow all your duties and responsibilities. That's all, ma'am.
Thank you, Elda.